How to turn off automatic updates on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop your iPhone from downloading and installing updates automatically. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Now select Software Update. Next, tap on Automatic Updates. Here you will see two options: Download iOS updates and Install iOS updates. To turn off automatic updates completely, simply switch both toggles off. Once disabled, your iPhone will no longer automatically download or install new iOS updates in the background. Instead, your device will only notify you when an update is available, and you can choose when to install it manually. If you ever want to turn it back on, just return to the same settings and enable the toggles again. And that's how you turn off automatic updates on iPhone in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.